It's more like Batmobile-ish.
Yeah. We got Mitchell's tinting up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are headed out to Drift HQ. We're gonna pick up two of these matching passenger seats without the halo, because I'm gonna put this passenger one in the S14 and one without a halo here, and same thing for that car. That way both cars will have matching seats. But we already made the order through John at Drift HQ, so we're gonna head out there and pick them up. Let's go. So we got the seats all loaded up and it's time to head back to the shop. So let's get out of here, and I don't know, that's about it. So we made it back to the shop. We got the seats, so we're gonna open these up and see what they're looking like. But we also got a brand new rack for the S14 that will be going in soon. So that came in today, but we're gonna open these seats up now and see what we got. So this ought to be pretty cool. Let's get to it. So the seats are unpacked. What do you guys think? These things are pretty sick, huh? So one of these will go in the E36 passenger. The other one will go in the 240 passenger. And then one of the halos out of the E36 is gonna be put in the driver's seat of the 240. So they'll both have matching seats now. And the passengers should be able to get in and out pretty easily. There was a problem in the E36 where passengers couldn't get in or out because of the halo, and then the cage had another bar, but we took that bar out. We're changing the seat, and I don't know, it should be pretty cool. So we're gonna get that switched over, so let's get to it. Not gonna do this today, but this thing is gonna look sick. I'll probably put it in tomorrow. I gotta get out of here, but we'll be back tomorrow, and I don't know, that's pretty much it for now. Later. All right, guys, so we're gonna take this seat out of here and put the new one in. It should be a lot better. So now we won't have this in the way for people to get in. But yep, so I don't know, I'm gonna get all the tools we need to get this seat out. We're gonna get this one in. Let's get to the time lapse. Let's go. that's it. The seat is in. I just gotta hook up the seat belts and it'll be all good. So now there's plenty of room for people to get in here. We had gotten rid of this bar that used to be there. It was nice to hold on to, but it's kind of impractical for people to get in. And somebody was ripping by here. Did y'all hear that? But anyway, so just got to put the seat belts back in and we'll be good to go with that. I got my buddy Jen coming over here. He's gonna kind of do some cool accents on some of the parts on the car. He's got a laser engraver, so he wants to do a couple cool things on the car. So we're waiting on him to get over here and then we're gonna, I don't know, we're gonna check that out. So stay tuned, let's go. Jen's got this laser engraver over here. We're gonna laser engrave that on the steering wheel here. Check this out. So it's already done. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, so we're gonna do some other parts and then I don't know, we'll show you all that once we get that done. Let's get back at it. All right, so now we're gonna put another one next to that one. That's the Instagram logo. So it'll look like that. This thing is wild. Check that out. That's pretty cool. It's a cool machine. Alright, so we're gonna do some more and I don't know, let's keep going. So while Jen's over there doing that, I put all these stickers that he made for me on the slits of the hood here. It's cool. You can even see it from way back. I'm probably gonna put this other sticker up top here. I still gotta clean it off and everything, but I'm gonna put this up here. The YouTube sticker right on the roof so everybody can see it. But he's about to do the other steering wheel just like we did the first one. Check this out again. This is pretty cool. Yeah, so we're gonna do the other one and I don't know, that'd be it. Let's go. All right, here they are. So there's that one. And then we just did a little one on here. It's super cool though. Oh yeah, this is a cool machine. Look at this thing. Oh yeah, well no, that's it for now. Jen's kind of camera shy, so he won't say much, but yeah, but I appreciate him doing all this. Came out super cool. So I don't know. Let's get it. So we got Matt Shulman's brand new.
What's up, guys?
It's a 2016 truck, but it's brand new to
New to
him.
me.
Yeah. So we're gonna tint this thing up. We're gonna put some XR Plus 15 all over the doors and the back glass, and then we're probably gonna put something on the windshield as well
please.
to block all that heat. But this film blocks 98% of the infrared heat coming in the car, so it should be a huge difference.
Need that here in Florida for sure because it gets rough in the summer.
Yeah, it's definitely
And it's
hot.
bright always too. So.
You're gonna hate me after this because now you're gonna want to do all of
Everything,
your cars.
right,
Yeah,
right.
This film's a really good
I'm
film
excited.
by XPEL.
I'm so excited. I'm new to this tint stuff, fancy stuff. So
Yeah.
I'm really excited.
Yeah, it's really good stuff. So we're gonna get started. So let's get to it. This thing's coming along. We already got the doors in. Lucha's putting in the last back glass piece. And then we're gonna clean the windshield and put that in. What do you think so
Looks
far?
so good. I love it. Makes it much more like Batmobile-ish.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
It looks awesome. Thank you guys.
Yep, no problem. So we're just gonna finish up the back glass and then we're gonna put in the whole front windshield. So let's get back to the time lapse. Got the truck all done with the XR Plus on the windshield all the way around. This thing came out looking clean.
So much better.
It's a whole different truck now. You're gonna be so much cooler in there too.
Oh, yeah. It looks so good. Like, just like tint changes the whole front. It's sick.
Yeah.
And the trick we did with the front too makes it way more aggressive.
Yeah, we did the whole windshield with a 50% and then, or did we do the 50?
No, we did at least that.
Yeah, we did the windshield with a 70 and then we put the 5% visor on there.
I think the visor is great.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so anything to make you happy.
Thanks, dude.
Hell yeah.
I'm stoked. It looks really good. I really appreciate it. And like being in the drift community, you never know who you meet, and you meet cool guys like Mitchell. So
Yeah.
I'm really stoked with it. And it looks great. So
Yeah.
I'm really happy.
All right, so we're gonna pull this thing out, hose it off, get all the soap off of it so it's nice and clean for his ride home. And I don't know, let's get to it. This thing's all clean, got it hosed off for him. But that's pretty much it. That's the final look. Yeah, super nice. It looks a lot darker out here.
Oh yeah.
You look at it.
Sick. It looks way more meat.
Yeah.
It's so good. I'm stoked. That looks so good.
Oh yeah. All right, well that's it. He's gonna get out of here. Tomorrow we're gonna be out at Rad Dan's tinting some cars for him as well. So stay tuned for that and
Yeah, dude.
let him know.
See you at the track.
Later.